Hello everyone, I'm Jossa and welcome to my channel. Today's video is requested by my sister Jessalyn Domingo. Hi Jessa. She asked me to do an ABG transformation makeup. So ABG means for Asian baby girl. So we're gonna try that today, and because I'm Asian, I'm going to throw some Tagalog words in this video. I'll do my best, but anyway, let's get started. Sorry. Simulan na natin. So first, I'm gonna prime I'm gonna prime my face. So, I'll be using the Paula's Choice and the Shine Stopper from Paula too. So to stop my shiny T-zone shiny. Next, we're gonna use this to hide all my black spot, my eye bag. So the eye bag. Next, I'm gonna putting a concealer. This is normally what I do on my makeup routine, but it's up to you if you guys wanna follow me. But this is what I do. Again, I'm not professional. Okay, this is how makeup work in my face. I'll be using my foundation now. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm shade of 300, winter shade. So it's my winter shade. Fall and winter.
See the difference? See? Walang nangyari. Just kidding.
We're gonna put concealer. Concealer, baby. I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown foundation again. Foundation stick, sorry. Parami. Oh man, parami. Parami sa ilong. Time to bake. Dami na. So we're gonna do our brows. The brows. So I'm using Anastasia Browies. This brow powder duo. Again, I'm in soft brown. So look like these from Anastasia. Use this NARS Smudge Fruit eyeshadow base. Set it with my powder.
Today we're going to use Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette.
I'll be curling my lashes. I'll be putting my mascara from LiQWYD.
We're gonna put lashes today. I'm thinking to use Pixie or Poise from Kiss, but I think I'll use the Poise, P-O-I-S-E, Poise. Anyway, this is my favorite brand for eyelashes. Very nice, very light and natural looking. Light and natural looking. Full.
Foundation again. So it's the powder foundation from Kevin Aquan. Desert Sand, the lighter, like the light is almost like cream color. Here in this shade, in this palette, this is called Desert Sand. Put it inside my inner corner. Okay. we're going to do contour using my Kat Von D. It's so old now. It's like it's get used lots of times. So gamitin ko to shade light. Kat Von D, the middle one. So I'm the middle one. And using the angle brush. Kinuha ko lang tong shade na to at ilalagay sa gilid. Kunwari may skinny nose tayo. I'll be using Love Flush by Too Faced, mixing Love Hangover and Baby Love.
Highlight now. Highlight. So I'll be using Becca, the famous Becca, Shimmering Skin Perfector. What shade is this? Champagne Pop. There you go. This is my favorite.
I'll be using today Fenty Beauty for my lips. What's this? And hala, I can't see the shades. Okay, so here's the final makeup look. We're just gonna set it up with Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Now we're gonna do the tattoo because I don't have tattoo here. And what I did, I will try to draw it to myself if I can do it. Okay, so I will do it to myself. Let's do it. Wow! Oh my god. You guys can see it? OMG! It's so cool! Wow! Ha! Look at that! Ha! So, now I don't know how I'm gonna put my clothes. Okay guys, this is the final look of my ABG Transformation makeup. I hope you guys like it, and I hope Jessa really like it because I enjoyed it so much. I like it so much, and I'm so proud of myself. This is the first time I did this, and it's just like I'm so amazed I'm capable of doing this, and it's so cool. Come on. So thank you for requesting this, Jessa. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want me to do something, like you have some requests, let me know, put it in the comment down below, and I will do my best to do it or recreate it. You know, I really had fun, and I hope you guys like it because I love it. Thank you again. Ciao. See you in my next video. Ciao. Ciao. I'm so proud of myself.